People alleged that you are impotent. Or are you impotent?
No.
Hey! Watch your tongue.
It's what I heard. People are saying it.
I will not allow him to enter into this compound until he brings that woman he said he has proposed to and about to get married to.
I'm sorry I have to raise my voice at you. We need to get married as soon as possible, and you need to do something about it.
I will not.
No, you will.
I won't.
You say you will.
He is consumed with his love for a certain princess who, in his words, he must end up with. We're taking unfair advantage of her and her condition.
I don't care what you do with your life. What matters is my mother has found happiness around you.
You will stay and finish it. Did you hear me?
I am done. And I am ready to embrace whatever consequence that will arise from me breaching the contract. But following me around does not involve you meddling in my privacy.
But I know privacy when I see one. And this is not privacy.
If I see you close to my prince, you will regret ever knowing me.
Why has father refused to allow me be with the man that makes me happy?
It's an order from my prince, and I must obey. Agameganti.
My forefathers and their forefathers have been in enmity, and it must continue. Hear me, from generation to generation, even to the third generation. I don't care.
See, you are enjoying her company. Reason you stopped coming. Even when you know it's easier for us to see my kingdom now than before. You were literally lost in the warmth of her body, and you're here telling me.
Listen, when I speak to you, you give me an answer. That's the rule of engagement in this house.
And she has said she is sorry. Does she need to kill a cow before you accept apology?
Go and get your ghostly maiden. She should be the one attending to you.
And don't you ever refer to me as your wife. Not on joking terms, not even on serious terms. You are a very proud man.
He's planning on marrying my sister, Assumpta. Yes!
I'm just worried about you,
No.
for God's sake.
That's not true. You're only worried about your father. It doesn't matter when I make my decision. What matters is I eventually made it. And this time, it's not late.
Whatever decision you make, I will stand by you. But please don't make decisions in confusion.
Why does he have to battle with his mind before saying that he doesn't love you? Why?
Azubike, you don't understand.
You never told her the rules.
Oh, shut up.
Right? Don't try to. Don't try to hush me.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.